Welcome to the 448 series soft close base organizer installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or right angle drill, a rubber mallet or hammer, power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit, 3 32nd inch bits, and an 11 32nd inch bit, tape measure, pencil, 3/8 inch wrench, tape, and an awl. In your box, you'll find the following parts: pull-out chassis, bloom release triggers, frame slide assembly, 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch deep thread pan screws, 4 number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, adjustable rub bushing kit, 448 spacer kit, and 2 door bumpers. Measure to find the center of your cabinet opening and mark with a pencil. Select the instruction sheet with template that corresponds to your 448 unit and then fold along the dotted lines. Center your template and position the arrows along the front edge of your cabinet. Use tape to secure. Place your awl over each of the 4 black circles and tap with your rubber mallet. Remove your template and pre-drill through each of your marked hole locations with your 3 32nd inch bit. Place your frame over the holes and secure to the cabinet floor with the number 8 by 3/4 inch deep thread screws. Your spacers should be flush with the top of the wood frame. You can set your 448 unit at the edge of your cabinet to mark where the spacers will go. Use your right angle drill with 3 32nd inch bit to pre-drill your holes. Your spacer kit includes 2 sets of spacers. If your face frame is 1.5 inches wide, use the thick spacers. If your face frame is 1 3/4 inches wide, use the thin spacers. Use a right angle drill or number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to secure. For custom applications, you can also use our adjustable rub bushing kits. If using the screw-in adjustable rub bushing kit, pre-drill with an 11 32nd inch drill bit. Then screw in bushing to desired level using provided wrench. Flip the frame over. Place the left and right bloom triggers flush against the front and side walls of the unit. Mark inside the trigger hole locations. Pre-drill the holes. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch screws included with the triggers. With the slides in the closed position, carefully align the chassis to the frame. Push the unit all the way back into the cabinet to engage. You will hear a click. Now you will want to adjust the rear stop according to your cabinet height. Loosen the screws in the back wall of the unit and raise the stop until it catches the rear of the face frame. Once in place, tighten the screws. Measure the base of the face frame to each mounting bracket hole location and record those dimensions. Use your 3/8 inch wrench and loosen the bracket screws. Slide the brackets just over the face frame's edge and then tighten. We have an overlay door, which means the door is larger than the opening. Measure the door height and the cabinet opening height. The overlay equals the door height minus the cabinet opening height divided by 2. Take the overlay value and add it to the bracket dimensions. Measuring from the bottom of the door, transfer those dimensions to the door. Pre-drill the holes using your 3 32nd inch drill bit. Do not drill all the way through the door. Align the holes of your cabinet door to the brackets and secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Precisely adjust the door skew by sliding the adjustable mounting brackets left or right as needed. Tilt can be adjusted by using the 8mm nuts and turning the T-nut screws so that it pushes against the metal bracket. Each corner is able to be adjusted independently. After adjustments, we recommend using the door bumpers on each corner. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.